I have something rather concerning to share with you this evening, and I hope that you will share it with as many people as you can. Let this video go across, it needs to. Now, around noon today, the Congress government in Karnataka sent policemen to my house. They came in civil clothes, but they were policemen from the Karnataka government, the Karnataka police, which is a Congress-ruled state. And then they sent some policemen to my office also, and then they sent more policemen. Eventually, there are about a dozen policemen, I'm told. We'll have to check accurately. Between outside my house where I live and outside this beautiful complex of the Republic Media Network. Now, why is the Congress government sending so many policemen to my house and to my office? They said they had to serve a notice because I had committed a very big crime, according to them, for which I should be immediately arrested, according to some Congress leaders who have filed a complaint, which magically turned into an FIR without even a basic investigation, I believe. And they said, Arnab Goswami must be arrested once again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what is wrong with the Congress party? They sent about 200 policemen with AK-47s to my house in Mumbai. Nothing has changed. I will never change my line on nation and nationalism. I will never stop taking on people who I believe are working against the interests of the nation. And regardless of anything, ladies and gentlemen, you must stay firm too. So they sent all these policemen. They were looking for notices, looking for me. We replied to the notices. We went to the courts. And we told the courts in Karnataka, we told the Karnataka High Court, what a frivolous case, what a ridiculous charge. They wanted non-bailable provisions against me, which means they say that Arnab is a great threat to national security. According to Rahul Gandhi, Arnab Goswami is the greatest threat to national security. And therefore, I should be arrested and put in jail. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to share with you today that once again we have defeated the Congress party in court. Because the law is on our side, the truth is on our side. And I will never stop asking the Congress party whether they have an office in Turkey. Now, if the problem is that I ask them whether there is an office in Turkey, how is it such a big deal? Why do you need to arrest Arnab Goswami if he's asking whether you have an office in Turkey? Okay, presumably there was a mistake of a 4-second visual in a digital edit over what I had said, which went viral all over India. When I asked, why does the Congress party have to have an office in Turkey? You can have an office in Tamil Nadu, you can have an office in Assam, you can have an office anywhere in India, but why do you need to have an office in Turkey of all places, when Turkey, and despite Turkey, having sent its military drones, 400 drones, against my country during Operation Sindoor, the Turkish were the drone pilots. The Turkish sent their armed forces. The Turkish sent their warship against India. And the Turkish sent their transport planes. And the Turkish Air Force chief is working with the Pakistani ISI. And Arnab Goswami will ask whether the Congress party has an office in Turkey. And you want to arrest me for it? Then arrest me. I will not stop asking whether the Congress party has an office in Turkey. Or if you want a technical reason, that for 4 seconds, a wrong visual was used, which professionally, we have said, okay, it was a technical error, and we have corrected it. But you want to arrest Arnab Goswami. Because according to Congress party and Rahul Gandhi, Arnab Goswami and the Republic Media Network are the biggest threat to national security. They have tried this route in Maharashtra and lost. And Rahul Gandhi, I'm addressing you directly today. Please know this, Rahul Gandhi, that the people of this country are with me and with Republic. We are a staunchly nationalistic network. We believe in this nation. Unlike you, I don't say, Rahul Gandhi, that India is not a nation. I am very clear, Rahul Gandhi, about where I stand on my nation and my nationalism. You think you want to use a state government's machinery to intimidate me, then please know this, Rahul Gandhi. You are not the first and you won't be the last. It has been tried in Bengal. It's what Mamata Banerjee has also wanted to do. But ask anyone in Bengal today, ask anyone in the country, Rahul Gandhi today. The support that the Republic Media Network has, it's because people know us by our beliefs. And because, Rahul Gandhi, unlike you, I can look at people in the eye and they know where I come from. My heart beats for the nation, Rahul Gandhi. And each time you say that India is not a nation, my blood boils. And know this, that we are uncompromising when it comes to national interest and the armed forces. Our questions will hurt you, but do not use a technical reason of 4 seconds of one visual going wrong to legally intimidate the Republic Media Network. You think it's so easy to intimidate the Republic Media Network. You must know this, Rahul Gandhi, that after you falsely got me arrested, look at the words of the Supreme Court which said that you tried to weaponize the law, which means your government, of which you were a part, you and Uddhav Thackeray, tried to do this, but you still don't learn. You still think that you can take on Arnab Goswami and the Republic Media Network by sending policemen to my house, saying we'll put non-bailable provisions against this man. And today I'm so happy, and I'm indebted to the Karnataka High Court, our fantastic lawyers, Mr. Aruna Sham, and our fantastic legal firm, Phoenix Legal, one of the best legal firms in the country. Because even they know they are on the side of what is right. So I wanted to start by saying this to anyone who thinks that one legal case here and there will make Republic change its line. And that's why this video must go viral. It must not be kept under wraps that they sent policemen to my house again. Because this is what these political parties want to do. They'll talk about democracy, freedom, freedom of speech, freedom of the media. All these things they will speak. And the woke brigade will support them. But behind the scenes, they will quietly, stealthily send policemen to the home and office of India's #1 independent news channel and its editor-in-chief and think they will get away with it. So I'm okay. I'm fine. Rahul Gandhi, look at me. Face me. Don't use your police. If you want to face me, come to my beautiful studios, which I have built with decades of hard work and professional excellence. See what I have built, the dream I'm working for, Rahul Gandhi. I am not a dynast. I'm a self-made man, Rahul Gandhi. And I know you must realize it because you read my Wikipedia profile and told me about my huge professional accomplishments the first time you met me for an interview. What changed after the interview, Rahul? I'm still the same guy. You're welcome to see my studios, see the hard work of my team, see the nationalism that beats in our heart, have the feeling of being in the Republic News Network. And I tell you, Rahul Gandhi, I'm telling you this, this is the place from where there will be the largest global news brand built in India, whether people like you like it or not. You cannot stop Republic, Rahul Gandhi. So please go ahead, tell Jairam Ramesh, tell Randeep Surjewala, tell them do what you want. Do what you want. Send more policemen to my house. Do what you want. File false cases. Do what you want. It is, as they say, water of a duck's back. We are tough people. And we are also on the side of what is right for the nation. Our great nation is on a cusp of a massive opportunity. We are sworn to lead from the front and to do everything possible in the service of the nation. And I want to tell you one more thing, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. The policemen who you sent today to my office and those who on a hot summer day, you made them stand outside where I live. You know what they said, Mr. Gandhi? They said, we are believers in Republic. We are fans of Arnab. I don't want to say the rest of what they said because I don't want to compromise them professionally. So don't try this next time. Mr. Gandhi, bring it on. We're happy. We're with the nation. And if you can, come and face me. Take my questions again. Let's discuss the country, where you stand and where I do. Ladies and gentlemen, on the fundamental issue of Turkey, I am here to repeat my questions tonight. How can any political party, any company, any individual, or any industry have any relationship with a country which has sent 400 drones to my country, which has been involved in 36 armed intrusions through armed drones in my country from Leh to Sar Creek, a country like Turkey which did not even condemn Pahalgam, which sent its warship to Karachi, which sent its military aircraft containing arms and ammunition and weapons to Pakistan during Operation Sindoor, and whose leader prayed for the souls of the terrorists who we killed. And because I asked whether the Congress party has an office in Turkey, you sent policemen to my house over an excuse that there was a 4-second wrong visual which was carried. You think you can stop me from asking this question? And I'm asking everyone today, across the nation, whether you are a member of the nationalist collective, whether or not, which you must be, can nationalism be challenged and crushed by these kind of political attempts that the Congress party is trying with Republic? Are you with us, ladies and gentlemen? With a network which is asking a political party, and not just Congress, I'm asking all political parties, to declare whether they have any relationship with Turkey. If the Indian Overseas Congress has, as was published in a Turkish news report, any presence in Turkey in 2019, why did they feel the need for a presence, and why do they feel the need for a presence today, if any? These are valid questions. And the questions will become even louder and louder each time you try and use unfair means to take us on. Ladies and gentlemen, nation first, no compromise.